In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add duration in Smartsheet. If you're planning projects in Smartsheet, a duration column is what tells Smartsheet how long each task should take. It's essential for timelines, resource planning, and Gantt views. I'll guide you through creating that column and share tips to keep everything clear and consistent. First, head to the Smartsheet website and open your workspace. From the left sidebar, choose Browse to see your folders and sheets. Select the sheet where you want to track duration, and make sure you're in grid view so adding columns is straightforward. Now, add a new column. Click Add column near the top of the sheet, or use the plus sign at the far right of your columns. This opens the column settings panel where you define what kind of data the column will store. Choose duration as the column type. This choice matters because duration is different from a text/number column. It understands time units and works with dependencies, task start and finish dates, and Gantt charts. Picking the correct type ensures your schedules calculate properly. Give the column a clear name so your team knows exactly how to use it. Something simple like duration or task duration works well. If you want to help collaborators enter values the same way, add a short description. This shows up as helpful context when someone hovers over the column name, and it's a great place to note the format you expect. With the type set to duration, Smartsheet accepts entries like 3D for 3 days, 4 for 4 hours, or 1D 30 ounce for a day and 30 minutes. You can combine units, and Smartsheet will calculate them correctly. By default, durations respect working days based on the project's working calendar, which helps keep timelines realistic. When everything looks good, click Apply. Your new duration column appears in the sheet right away. From here, you can start entering durations for each task, and those values will feed directly into your schedules and Gantt on timelines. If you ever need to update the column name or description, open the column properties again and make your changes. Smartsheet saves automatically. That's all there is to it. You navigated to your sheet, added a new column, set it to the duration type, named it clearly, provided an optional description for guidance, and applied your changes. Keep your entries consistent, and Smartsheet will handle the calculations for timelines and dependencies. Thanks for watching, and happy building.